Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, as well as the Sport Appearance Package, giving you some unique rims. But let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, like so. And in the middle here you have a 110 volt power outlet as well as 2 USBs, and the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy, and all the stats together. Then you have your fuel economy separately, truck info such as power distribution, driver assistance features and settings, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving to the left, you do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stalk, and moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Digital climate controls with dual zone front climate so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and moving down you have your hazards, your media controls, and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. You also have 2 12 volt power outlets here, and further down you have this cubby area with 2 USBs so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have some more controls here, such as your auto start stop shut off, your tow haul mode, and your traction control shut off, as well as having your 4x4 selector here and your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have your parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious inside, but that should cover our look at the interior. Now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.